Everyone, this is Reggie and
Ready, Rocket.
oh yeah, you guys didn't know because he was in a Spider-Man costume, and that's actually who Spider-Man is. It's not Peter Parker, it's Ready Rocket. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, so we are here because we have a new Royal VIP. It's a special and actually our top honor currently for our VIP customers, and we would like to congratulate Susan Lewis. That is right. Congratulations, and you are going to be getting this. Oh wow, look at Zuli. Zuli, what did you make?
I made a train.
A train. Good job.
It looks like a train with 2 levels.
Yeah. Choo choo. What does the train do?
The train choo choo.
Oh, the train broke. It got stuck in the rug. Oh my, you want to fix it? Okay. While you're fixing it, wow, you're going to redo the whole thing. Okay, so while you're fixing that, Mom, Daddy and Rocket are going to finish this video. Okay, what is that one? Is that a square?
No, it's a train.
Oh, it's a train, I forgot. But what shape is that one? Busy at work. Okay, so Susan Lewis, we would like to congratulate you once again, and you're going to be getting these. These are Farabu earrings, and to see them, watch this video. And we're back. Just wrap this one up, and Rocket wanted to show you what was featured while he was dancing. He made his very own desktop computer. Look at that craftsmanship. Craftsmanship to the max. Good job, Rocket.
This is a game. Nobody went to the moon. It's like nobody went to the moon and you only went to the moon and then there's aliens attacking you.
Okay, so nobody went to the moon except you.
Yeah, and the aliens try to attack us, and then you need to try to jump because the lasers.
So let's look at this computer that he made. There's a keyboard with a QWERTY keyboard. Look at that QWERTY on top right there.
And this.
And it has a cord connecting to the monitor. And that car was what was on the desktop. And there's the desktop icons for the trash can up there, Google Chrome, and the Windows taskbar right here.
Yeah, and this one is actually for like a movie.
Like the VLC. Ah, very tech oriented.
And this is the off button.
Oh,
On
these
button.
I thought these were just glue spots, but those are actually buttons. Okay.
Yeah, I did the glue spots like buttons. Like off, on, and I think that's all.
Okay. All right. Susan, Rocket did a dance for you featuring this computer, and we would like you to check it out. It's just for you, Susan. Thank you very much for becoming a Royal VIP. while we're at it, let's see the progress of Zuli's train. Oh, she was making it and then she took it out. We're gonna try again, Zuli? Try again? Okay, we're gonna make it. Alright, Susan, please watch this video. Thank you very much for becoming our newest Royal VIP.
It's broken.
Choo choo, chugga 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 choo choo. Choo choo. That's a cool train, Zuli.
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes. Choo-choo.
Chugga 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 choo choo. Alright, say bye bye, Zuli.
Bye.
Bye.